Hey guys, it's Blaze of You're here. Welcome back to another video. And I am just outside taking my dog out. Sorry for any background noise from our neighbors. I'm sure you guys don't mind. I'm taking my dog out, and I think it's a pretty nice day to record. And I guess, it's a pretty good day since it's like 85 degrees outside. The sky is very, very nice. Look at that white tree right there. I think just nature in general is beautiful. And there's my little doggy. Yeah. Just waiting for him to go, because sometimes he takes a while, because, he is pretty old, guys. He is actually, 17 in human years. I don't know what that converts to in dog years, because I don't feel like doing the math. You guys, I'm sure you guys can do it. Go on your calculator or manual if you feel like it. And 17 times 7, and that's how old he is in dog years. So, yeah. Just realized that I do have to cut the grass just a little bit. And really back there, next to the stove. And, yeah. His name is Kibert. He's so cute. Old, but cute. So, it's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, just how nice it is outside. And, yeah. Kibert will just not go. Little bush there, holly tree, I think they're called. So, Kibert, stop. He gets, hold on, guys, just a moment, because he is kind of old. His back legs don't work that good, so we're gonna have to take him to the vet and see if it's just from his age or something else, because I think he might have arthritis. And yeah, and here's the shed. You see right there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Wait, okay, I'm just letting Kibert here take me around. But if you can see it, there's a little orange thing next to the window. And I guess that's, I think that's for bees, or, whatever wants to go there. And back here, I really have to cut the grass. Look, guys, hold on. Wait for Kibert to pass. Hopefully this kind of tells how much, it has to be cut. I don't know if it really shows, but I do have to cut back here. And, yeah. Oh, guys. Oh, no. Kibert. Kibert, he's much bigger and stronger than you, I'm sure. Let's go over here, Kibert. See, guys, this is what happens when you have a neighbor with a dog and you have a dog. Bye-bye, other dog. The little dogs, they just think they're so big. Little dogs. They're cute, but they think they're big. And then they try to take on every single dog. If you guys didn't know, mostly these smaller dogs actually live longer. That's what I've heard, at least. But I've also heard that the bigger dogs are mostly, usually more friendly. But Chihuahuas, those are the ones you gotta watch out for. Some are sweethearts, and others are maul your face off like a bear. So, and this is the leaf pile where we dump all the leaves we collect every year. You know, we gotta put them somewhere. And yeah, I guess this over here is just a bush. I do not know what bush because I am not a natureologist. I know it's not called that. So guys, I think kibert is done, but I am not done recording for you guys. But I just love how it looks. I don't know if the video captures that, you know, real nice glow, but you know, this is either the oldest or the biggest tree in our yard. And yeah, I think the skinniest one is over here, right in the middle. And yeah, and there's some flowers that we did not plant, so they're technically weeds. Oh. Oh no, guys. Wait, hold on. You can see that. I'll stop shaking the camera. Sorry, guys. There's a bee there. I don't want my dog to get stung, so I'm gonna zoom out and let's go, kibert. Come on. The poor dog can't get up. Come on, kibert. Might be this. Hold on, guys. Huh. Come on, kibert. Guys, I gotta put you down for just a second. Okay, we're back up. Sorry, guys, I feel so bad for my dog. Sometimes I think it's because it's wrapped around his leg. Okay, sometimes he falls down. Okay, come on. This dog isn't very cooperative. Oh my god, I can't speak, guys. Sorry, guys, there's something on me. Okay, let's go, kibert. I don't want you to get stung. Your back legs may not work, but still, come on. Yeah. Come on, kibert. He will just not come. Come on. Aw. Come on, kibert. Let's go. He doesn't want to come in. He usually races me back to the house. Wait. Guys. Is the other dog back? I don't think he's back. Come on, kibert. Yeah, he's back. He's back. I'm a mean dog. Whoa. Jeez. He may be old, but God knows he can fight. See, if I knew the neighbor's dog's name, I'll tell it to go away. Probably wouldn't go away anyway, but come on, kibert, let's go. Let's go. You're not fighting that dog. let's go. Slow it down. Slow. Come on. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.